morning. I'm out here at World Finals. I just got done on Tuesday racing the women in 1500 novice ski stock, and I took third in the world, so that's freaking hype. We had boat problems all day long, and Jason and everyone worked tirelessly to help get that thing running and get me back on the line, and I did. And I limped that thing across the finish line and still salvaged a third. It was awesome. But today, we're gonna have a much better day. Racing 550 mod, all reliable right here. BJ's Performance Cobra 2.0. Super stoked and grateful to be able to race on such a competitive machine and take out those log jumps and whoever else comes in my way. Let's go. Just got done with practice. I was trying to keep my line choices a secret with all my competitors watching my every move, trying to keep my back all nice and relaxed and staying pretty mellow through the practice, not trying to use any extra energy, and tried to practice the log jumps as well. So someone went down in there, so I just kind of circled around for a minute and then actually got to hit the log jumps, but a lot of my competitors did not get to practice the log jumps, so we'll see how that goes today. I ended up submarining on the second log jump and then almost getting T-boned right there, just in practice. It's always hectic, but that was a close call right there. Little homie swerved out of the way and we're good to go. So I feel confident in the track, having already raced it, knowing the turns and apexes and everything. So just got to keep it upright and I'll be good to go. So it's super important to make sure that you're fueled as well as your jet ski's fueled. So my race fuel today is potatoes, chicken apple sausage, and 2 eggs. I made this last night at like 10 p.m. when all my friends were going out. And I'm like, I'm gonna stay home and make breakfast. They're like, you're weird. I'm like, trust me. So got that. I drank some of this last night and this morning to prepare. This is Hydrofy. It's full vitamins and minerals and electrolytes. So it's hydrogen, potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium to help your body function properly for race day. All right, well, that could have gone worse, and it could have gone a lot better. Stalled off the start and fought from the back of the pack and just got absolutely smoked. It was so gnarly. I kept submarining in the holes and jumping the wake the best I could, but damn, man, I made it over all the log jumps, so that was sick. And wadded on the finish line, which was dumb, but maybe it'll make for some good pictures. right, that's a wrap on my final moto today. We only get 2, which is messed up, man, because those entry fees are steep. But I rode my heart out. The best I could do was unofficial 12th. So frustrating because I was really going for top 10, trying to beat some of the fastest guys in the world. I mean, what are you going to do, right? Do your best. Definitely some things on the ski that I want to change. It's pretty close to perfect, but man, we needed another week. I got a concussion a couple days ago, wadding up at full speed on my race ski. So I was a little timid coming into today. So I feel like that has a lot to do with it, but no excuses, man. I definitely could have done better. Disappointed, but that's a wrap.